So hello everyone, it's another video for Healthy Routine Lifestyle. So bicep tayo ngayon. Sa muna po. Let's do bicep. Let's go. Incline standing. I called it incline standing. Yan. Hindi nga lang pantay. Hindi pantay. Kita nyo guys, nagko-contract yan. Quality reps. Yan. Feel the stretch guys.